rough this out now. We're going to rough that taper out. Okay, now.
I notice you're going one way.
Yeah.
You're always going this way.
Yeah, because that's you could cut on this side of the tool better than trying to bring it up and matching it.
So when you set it up at that angle, what angle you have right there, it makes sense. You're just going from here, and you're working your way up to going to the end right there in one direction.
Right.
And then finally it'll go to that exact angle of that tip that you set it to.
That's right. That's right. Let's smooth it out a little bit. See that? You go with the grain of the file across there at the same angle, at a 90-degree angle to the wheel on this. You just get your angle nice and flat. You get your flat file in it. You see how nice that angle comes up?
Yeah.
Keep the file good and clean. Off in the I just want to lay this flat on there.
Oh, okay.
All right, now we got the mating part.
Okay.
Get some Dicom blue.
Dicom blue?
It's called Dicom blue. Now you take your mating part and say it rocks on there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you shove it on there, it's going to leave a line, say right here. It'll make a line right there. It's hitting there first. The taper.
Yeah.
Your taper is so it's small here and big here. So you take the file. And you cut down on the top of it. Okay. Then you glue it again. Put your mating piece back on there, rock it, and find out where your high spot is, and file the high spot off until it finally fits
precision tapers.
Precision tapers.
Yeah. It's incredible.
And you don't have to worry too much about the roughness because you're going to file it. It'll take, when you first do it, it'll take a while to get it right. But once you get onto it, once you understand what you're doing,